Hi, this is Alicia from BitaGenius, and today I'm going to teach you how to create courses, lessons, how to add and remove users from courses, and how to change what course and lesson you are in Pixicade Education Edition. If you want to skip around to a specific section of this video, you can click the timestamps in the description. When no courses have been created yet, the Arcade and Create buttons are grayed out. They will become accessible after creating a course. To create new courses, click the Manage Account button on the home screen. Click Create and Manage Courses, and then click the green Create button. In the Create Course pop-up, enter the course name and section. You can always edit course information by clicking the Edit button on the course. To create lessons, click the Manage Account button on the home screen. Click Create and Manage Courses. Search for or scroll to the course that you want to add lessons to, and click the Lessons button on it. Every course automatically has a default lesson. You can edit this default lesson by clicking the Edit button or create a new one. To create a new lesson, click the green Create button in the Manage Lessons pop-up. Enter a lesson name, description, optionally add a due date, and select whether other users can share games to this lesson. When you set a due date on a lesson, it will no longer be accessible to students and viewers after the due date has passed. You can always edit lesson information by clicking the Edit button. To add users to a course, you must have users created. To watch a video about how to create and manage users, click the annotation in the top right corner. Click Manage Account on the home screen. Then click Create and Manage Courses. Search or scroll for the course that you want to add users to. Then click the Users button on it. Click the plus button to add users from the right column to the course, and click the minus button to remove them. All users added to the course will have access to the lessons created within it. You will automatically be switched to the most recently created course and lesson. To change which course and/or lesson you are in, click the Course and Lessons button, which can be found on the home screen, Arcade, and Create menu. First, select a course. Then, click the Lesson button to select a lesson within the course. Click the annotation in the top right corner to watch a video about how to share and feature games. There are tons of features available in Pixicade Education Edition. Click the annotation in the top right corner to see a playlist full of step-by-step tutorials about how to create users, courses, lessons, share games, and so much more. We recommend watching the playlist in order for the best experience possible. If you have any more questions, you can email us at education@bitagenius.com, and we are happy to help you. We hope that you and your students enjoy creating and playing your own video games with Pixicade Mobile Game Maker.